sorry. Lil Dre got hit up, now he up there with Marcus. Cash boy got hit up. Lil Toy got shot like a nigga took pictures. Fuck Chris, forget him. But I guess it was cause of that got up with him. And I'm still with that low shit. Low Jack blew himself, guess he up on some slow shit. Lil Fat on go bitch. Call up JV with the Glock gon' throw shit. Lil Money gon' blow bitch. Last chance try to score niggas down like 06. Hit a stand, we poking. Chalk pack got me high, got me losing focus. Show me my opponent. But I put it on Chris that these niggas don't want it. And I'm staying in my lane. Niggas ain't no shit, I ain't worried about a thing. Turn a nigga to a frame. He was screaming fuck bands, now we turn it to a game. With the Glock got aim. Send shots at his top, knock his noodles out his brain. 4-3 without claim. Chris Mo got cracked, that was hot shit for them. And I'm cooler with the game. Catch me on the low end, yeah, you know I'm bully gang. WV, they some lames. Catch me lacking, that's another body added to the name. Beating them, do your game. And I'm in it for the money, give a fuck about the fame. Lil Tag got fucked up. Hot shit went near, but I guess a nigga lucked up. In the field, nigga, what's up? He I can talk off the field, smoke his ass, nigga, tough luck. In the field, nigga, what's up? He I can tough off the field, smoke his ass, nigga, tough luck. Nigga, tough off the field, smoke his ass, nigga, tough luck.
Now let's speak facts. Southwest Speedy Gang, seize knife where we at. And we smoking on Jack. Ain't have to kill him, turn himself to a pack. Yeah, chick here a rack. They snitch on each other, but fuck all that. Can't go like who? The exotic man, his ass from the deuce. Can't see with me too. Twin blocks, you don't wanna see them boys like a fool. Sneak dissing on game. 9 to the 9, we'll stay in our lane. And I'm smoking on bang. Fuck S-Dub, they not on the thing. And the ones with the lanes. Got a bad little bitch here trying to get the game. 4-5 go bow. I was busting out the mids, I was trying to cool down. Now it's a man down. Marquis tried to fight, got put in the ground. And Tez ass dead too. Fat Kel's gonna run, he got hit in the head. Ooh, 4-5 got a mop stick. Can't run, cut this with Glock shit. 30 rounds in the Glock, we pop shit. Man down, somebody got top quick. Smoke twerk to the face, we off it. ET got put in the coffin. Can't slide through the script, playing offense. Shoot innocents, y'all ain't no shit. Hit the switch one time and they call it glitch.
That's just my shit right there. That's forever gonna be a classic.
You should know he wrong. He a fucking white boy.